A young mother suffering from mental illness called the police to her home to resolve a medication dispute with her housemate. But when the police arrived, OMG, as you can see, a horrifying moment occurred.
157, I've just been stabbed!
This young mother, Leah Baker, 29, grabbed a meat cleaver and stabbed the police officer, luckily only hitting the female officer's arm.
Drop the f***ing knife!
Baker didn't give up.
Shots fired!
Put that knife down right now.
This time, however, the bullets did not miss.
Get on the ground! Get away from that knife!
Shot fired by the police. Rescue 1068.
They were fired directly into her body, causing her to collapse right by the roadside.
Stay down. Stay down.
If you call
Down,
here.
stay down.
Stay down! Stay down! Get out of the way! Get out of the way!
Get out of the way!
Things got worse when she held the knife tightly, making it much more challenging for everyone to provide aid. The outbreak of mental illness is truly terrifying.
Still have the knife, mate. You still have the knife. Get us the
Stay down,
35 over here. Get out of the way! Move! 3551. Star 146, 158 on signs in the area. Move out of the way! Units coming off golf here. Block traffic. Block traffic. Stay down. Stand by. Word.
K-9 unit was dispatched to help subdue her by removing the knife from her. However, she attacked the dog as well, prompting the officer to exclaim, "Don't hit my dog."
Stop fighting my dog! Stop fighting my dog! Let go of my dog! Drop the knife!
All right, go in there and get that knife. Go.
Stop fighting my dog! Stop fighting my dog! Let go of my dog!
Once Baker was subdued, situation stabilized, and the paramedics arrived to assist her, but she later died at the hospital.
The address we're at is 1342. There's still 3 people in the house.
In August, the state attorney's office ruled that the shots fired by officers Meckling and Holmes were justified. This was one of the 14 shootings involving the Jacksonville Sheriff's Office since November 2018 that had been cleared.
Girl, you okay?
This was the 5th recorded shooting for Nobles, 18-year veteran, and the first on-duty shooting for Meckling, who had been with the force for a year. Crime and safety expert Ken Jefferson told News4Jax that he believed the officers' actions were correct, and stated that this incident serves as a warning to groups advocating for police defunding about the dangers officers face. A mentally ill person, just like any normal person, can kill you, and you have to protect yourself and others. The officers were right to use deadly force, said regarding Baker's death. Ordinary citizens risk their lives for the people in the community they represent. And that video is just a small glimpse of what they go through to return home to their family. Meckling had the right to draw her weapon the moment she was stabbed, he added. She maintained officer safety, as we see in the video. When she knocked on the door, she backed up. She could have easily been stabbed in the upper torso or even in the face or neck. It happened so fast that if he didn't stop the threat, could have been stabbed too.
What the HQ November 157, I've just been stabbed! Drop the knife! Get on the ground! Get on the ground!
So, he did the right thing, Jefferson said about Baker's charge toward Holmes.
Get on the ground! Get away from that knife!
Shot fired by the police. Rescue 1068.
However, Baker's family spoke about their heartbreak as the encounter escalated due to her history of mental health issues.
We are the caregiver.
I can't condone my daughter's actions, but But at the same time, I've battled with different hospitals to get her the mental health support she needed. Her mother, Charity, said. She organized a rally on July 19th to remember her daughter and revealed that Baker had previously stayed in a collective home with people like her and had recently left the mental health resource center. I placed her in what I thought was a safe home. She was truly mentally ill. I never thought the police would kill my daughter, Charity told the crowd. According to Action News Jax, Baker, who had a 9-year-old daughter, had previously been Baker acted and arrested for domestic assault. The Baker Act is a Florida law that allows families to provide emergency mental health services and temporary detention for a family member if they are impaired due to mental illness. Leah often struggled with shadows that hoped to extinguish the light within her. She fought to understand a world that made no sense to her artistic soul, her family wrote in her obituary. Her housemate recounted how her mental health had deteriorated before the shooting. Zachary Solovikos said, "I tried to get her to take her medication, but she refused, and her condition worsened every day. I considered Baker acting her, but when they spoke with her, she was so far gone, she didn't even know what she was saying." The Baker Act in Florida allows families to provide emergency mental health care and temporarily detain loved ones if they are impaired due to mental illness. This is an important tool to protect both the individual and the community, but it needs to be applied effectively. I am utterly outraged at what happened and what I witnessed. It didn't have to go down like this, Solovikos added. It's just so sad.
She's got guts come out of her stomach. Gotta be careful.
Hey, rifle, watch that house. She come out of that house. Somebody got gloves on?
HQ 861, advise rescue to stand by. Advise rescue to stand by. Do not come.
All right.
The officers were placed on administrative leave, pending the outcome of the investigation, which has now ruled in their favor. This incident highlights the importance of providing proper and timely mental health support. If Leah Baker had received the necessary care and treatment for her mental condition, this tragedy might have been prevented. Police officers have the authority to use force, including deadly force, when they or others are under serious threat. In this case, the officers' actions were deemed justified, as they had to defend themselves in a dangerous situation.
Shots fired!
Put that knife down right now.
Get on the ground! Get away from that knife!
Shot fired by the police. Rescue to the
Incident also underscores the importance of emergency situation management, especially when dealing with individuals with mental illness. Police officers need thorough training to handle such situations safely and humanely. Families and communities also have a responsibility to care for and support those with mental illness. Close coordination with authorities and healthcare services can help prevent unfortunate incidents. From this story, it is clear that a combination of mental health support, emergency situation training and management, and an understanding of legal rights is crucial for protecting both individuals with mental illness and the community.
What the HQ November 157, I've just been stabbed! Get on the ground! Get away from that knife!
Shot fired by the police. Rescue to the
All right, go in there and get that knife. Go.
Stop fighting my dog! Stop fighting my dog! Let go of my dog! Taser! Alright, she's got guts come out of her stomach. Gotta be careful.
Hey, rifle, watch that house. She come out of that house. Somebody got gloves on? I need to know real quick, what were you here for at that house?
63.
Just a 63?
Yes, sir.
She was in the house?
Are you off?
I'm pausing it.
This close to
So she-